Lukurokni joto khakamungno oklogo tonoi Paithago Srangsalo MLA Achukthaini Norjakha 46 surma Achukthaini MLA Asish Srangsalo Bidhan Sabhani Sakbai Thangni Tangnogo kaisa kokthum pandaringai o Sakwlaikha Murkha Bidhan Sabhani Speaker Ratan Chakraborty Yangte khaksa phaisi MLA Brishaketu Debormani MLA Achukthaini teibo chaitogui najagai tongo hone saka Bidhan Sabhani Speaker Ratan Chakraborty Paithago lukurokni khakamani no ongkha kubui Bodoria Karmani Yagulo Paithago Srangsalo MLA Achukthaini Norjakha 46 surma Achukthaini MLA Asish Srangsalo Bidhan Sabhani Sakbai Thangni Tangnogo kaisa kokthum pandaringai o Sakwlaikha Murkha Bidhan Sabhani Speaker Ratan Chakraborty Lai thanglai kisa sakta romoi MLA Asish ri tongmung chamung bodolo ke benge khorang ti samung tei phang kaisa bodolo habimani mangphilino Bidhan Sabhani Speaker Ratan Chakraborty ni thani kaisa petition khlaimani MLA Kalyani Roy Koksil samuti sajakmani joto party mungno chaitogui naimani yagulo Paithago 46 surma Achukthaini MLA Asish no MLA Achukthaini Nornani Sakwlaikha Murkha Bidhan Sabhani Speaker Ratan Chakraborty Srangsalo Bidhan Sabhani Sakbai Thangni Tangnogo kaisa kokthum pandaringai o Sakwlaikha Murkha Bidhan Sabhani Speaker Ratan Chakraborty
সেটা হচ্ছে বিধায়ক আশিস দাস 46 নং সুরমা এসসি কেন্দ্রের বিধায়ক বিগত বেশ কয়েক মাস যাবৎ ওনার আচার আচরণ এবং দল বিরোধী কথাবার্তা এবং অন্য আরেকটি রাজনৈতিক দলে প্রকাশ্যে যোগদান এই বিভিন্ন বিষয়গুলো আমাদের সামনে এনেছেন শ্রীমতী কল্যাণী রায় ওয়াইফ অফ শ্রী দীনেশ চন্দ্র সাহা মেম্বার অফ ত্রিপুরা লেজিসলেটিভ অ্যাসেম্বলি পিটিশনার ভার্সেস শ্রী আশিস দাস son of Sri Khovendra Chandra Das, member of Tripura Legislative Assembly, respondent. আমি আজকেই এই সম্পর্কে দীর্ঘ বিচার বিবেচনার পর সুযোগ সুবিধা দেওয়ার পর আমি আজকেই অর্ডার সই করেছি আমি এটা আপনাদের পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি তার পরবর্তী সময় আমি কথা বলবো An application under paragraph 6 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India supported by an affidavit was filed by Srimati Kollani Rai, member of Legislative Assembly, praying for determination of the question as to whether the respondent Sri Asish Das, a member of the Legislative Assembly Tripura, has become subject to disqualification for being a member of the House under the provisions of the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India. The petitioner prayed for further appropriate steps as mandated under Rule 8 of the member of the Tripura Legislative Assembly within bracket disqualification on ground of defection rules 1986 hereinafter referred as rule of 1986. The application was received at my office on 25th 10/2021 where upon the same was put up before me. I passed an order on 26th 10/2021 for checking as to whether the petition filed by Srimati Kollani Rai, member of Legislative Assembly, thereafter referred as MLA, was in conformity with the rule of 1986. Thereafter, the petition having been checked and found to be in compliance with the requirements prescribed under the rules of 1986. I abide my order dated 27/10/21, ordered for forwarding the copy of the petition along with its annexures to the sole respondent Sri Asish Das MLA, inviting his comments in writing within 7 days. Office report reveals that the notice was issued to Sri Asish Das MLA by a speed post on 28/10/2021 and as per digital tracking of the consignment on 2/11/21, it was recorded that the consignment, my notice along with the copy of the petition along with its annexures were already delivered to the addressee of Sri Asish Das. The matter being put up to me by the Secretary of the Assembly, I passed an order on 3/11/21 asking to obtain official confirmation of service. In response to the letter was received from Superintendent of Post Offices, Agartala Postal Division by number CPT miscellaneous 2021 dated 8/11/21 that the speed post article being eto has been delivered on 30/10/21 for Choto Shurma BO under Komalpur SO as intimated by Superintendent of Posts Dharmanagar Division. Thereafter, the matter was put up before me again on 12/11/2021. As no response was received from the respondent Asish Das, I ordered the matter to be put on 26/11/21. I further ordered the matter to be proceeded ex parte if no response was received from the respondent within 26/11/21. This order was sent to the respondent Sri Asish Das MLA by speed post, white consignment number Ato, which was returned unserved on 24/11/21 with the remark addressee absent. Thereafter, the matter being posted on 26/11/21, I ordered for reissue of my order dated 12/11/21 to the respondent Sri Asish Das MLA, again fixing 14/12/21 for ex parte hearing. This time I directed for service of notice upon the addressee Asish Das MLA through the office in charge of Kamalpur Police Station. On 3/12/21, applicant Srimati Kolani Rai submitted an additional affidavit along with annexure stating that while in her petition she sought for a presumption from the reported actions of respondent Sri Asish Das MLA regarding his having suffered disqualification to the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India by his subsequent reported action, it was now clear that the respondent Sri Asish Das MLA has since joined All India Trinamool Congress Party, within bracket thereinafter referred as TMC, on 30/10/21, thereby being liable to be disqualified from being a member of the Tripura Legislative Assembly. This additional affidavit was taken on record and was ordered by me on 4/12/2001 to be put up within the fixed date.
Yang te khaksa phaise MLA Brishake to Debor Mani MLA Achukthaini tebo chaitogui naijagui tongo hone shaka Bidhan Sabhani Speaker Ratan Chakraborty Rajakha Oglen Simi Problem Kokthum CHINI KHORANG